Sorry about getting cut off on the last video. So again, who got the best deal on chocolate cinnamon bears and explain? We know that Milo got the better deal because he paid less per pound. And we're going to talk about that using all the different representations on this page. So let's first look at the graph. If we take a look at this graph, and if you can please put your eyes on my screen real quick while we look at my graph together. If we look at Milo's line, his line is less steep, meaning as pounds increase, the cost grows slower. Where Sierra's is steeper, meaning as the pounds increase, the cost grows at a faster rate, making things more expensive. So we're going to put that into words. We're going to say the graph, we know Milo's is less steep. Milo's graph is less steep. His line is less steep. That means it gets more expensive slower. It gets more expensive slower, not as fast as Sierra. So let's look at the equations because they're right here. If I just gave you the equations, how do you know that Milo has the better rate? Well, we want to always look at the number that's being multiplied by the x, our constant of proportionality. But when we're talking about an equation, the word we use for the number being multiplied by x is that's right, the coefficient. So notice with our equation that the coefficient of x is smaller, making the cost grow slower. If the coefficient is smaller, the cost is going to grow slower. And the last part we need to look at is our table. So how do we know just looking at the table? We want to compare the unit rate in the table. So when x, the pounds, is 1, Milo has a lower cost y than Sierra. Again, we're always comparing. If we're saying lower or higher, we want to know then who. So all of these are compared to Sierra. Awesome. We're going to do some review. Thank you for your hard work, and please listen for the instructions for our review activity. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.